Hey guys, this video is a little different. There will be no tutorials or operating systems review or something like that. Not that most of you know what I'm talking about anyway, but for those 4 of you who follow my channel regularly, I guess I owe an explanation. So in this video it will be just me talking about the future of this channel, about why I haven't uploaded something in 2 weeks and why the first video that I upload after these 2 weeks was a best of top 5 Android operating systems in which I've used text-to-speech. Well, first of all, that text-to-speech ain't that bad, right?
And if you're wondering why only 5, is because we will not include operating systems like Chrome OS or FidoOS, which in our opinion, they are a totally different thing.
I mean, I've used and heard worse. I heard much worse. And secondly, I've always wanted to dive in this type of videos. So far, I always made tutorials, reviews about operating systems, or back in the day when I started with YouTube, I made videos about upgrading, improving laptops, or other type of DIY videos. But ever since I make content strictly about operating system, I wanted also to make this type of videos like top 5, top 10, best of, and so on. But somehow I never got to do it because there was always something else needed to be done. Okay, but that still doesn't explain why going back to text-to-speech. Well, I'm not going back to text-to-speech, not entirely. I will still do my regular videos with voiceover, like tutorials and reviews and so on. But wait, I saw some days ago a video because I was trying to find a solution for my problem, and I found this guy, and this guy explains it.
We live in a society. More specifically, I live in a house with a family, a loud one. I don't get a lot of opportunities to record here at home. I kind of have to wait for the stars to align and for everyone to be out of the house. But what if I didn't need it to be quiet?
Yeah, so the way he puts it is exactly the position that I'm in right now. I always have to wait for the right moment when the kids are busy with something else or not in the house, so that I can record something. And this basically is time wasted, because if I don't record often enough, that means I don't edit fast enough, which equals with I don't upload as much as I wish. And here is where this type of videos come in handy. I will make my regular tutorials like always, and in between I will post videos like this one, top 10, top 5 and so on, or even, why not, news type videos. I don't know, stuff like check out the new features in the latest Chrome OS version, or what's new in Windows 11. I don't know, I cannot give good examples, but I guess you got the idea. Now, something else that I'm thinking if I should get into is shorts. A lot of you suggested that I should upload more shorts, and it's something that I'm still thinking if I should do. Now, why I'm thinking if I should do shorts is because I can imagine it will be kind of weird to make shorts about operating systems. I mean, what can you say in 1 minute on a 9:16 ratio? I don't know, I need to see how this could work. And another thing that I have on my mind is what to do with all the stuff that I gathered over the years. And here I'm talking about video editing stuff. Green screen, overlays, elements, and so on. Ever since I edited my first video, long before making YouTube, I gathered a ton amount of stuff like that. Not made by me obviously, but downloaded from different websites, channels and so on. All free, copyright free, royalty free, no issues about that. And yes, I'm thinking if I should upload them, and if I decide to upload them, then if I should do it on this channel or to make another channel. The point is that I have a lot, like dozens of gigs of stuff like this, and they are not bad quality. Some of them are better, some of them are not that great, but overall I guess it will make some nice packages, and I'm thinking that maybe people would benefit from this. I honestly don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments what you think about this. So basically that's it. I will go on with my videos, nothing much will change in this direction. Also, when you guys have requests about what type of video should I make, you can leave it in the comment sections or go on my Telegram group. I will not change my niche, for example, but I will add this type of video format like best of, top 10 and news with text-to-speech, and next to it maybe shorts, maybe not, or maybe green screen, or maybe not. Yeah, I hope this way I will upload more videos, that I will also have constant uploads, that I will not have in 1 week 5 and then in the other week or 2 weeks, like in this example, nothing. Because this was the problem. 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I made all those Chrome OS Flex videos one after the other, like I made 4 videos in 1 week. or something like this. And then 2 weeks break, I did absolutely nothing. And this is not great. Yeah, and that's that. That's pretty much it, I guess. So till next time. Cheers.